Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to download bank statements from the Chase mobile app. This one I will show you the app. Today we are going to show you how to download bank statements from Chase mobile app. Don't forget to subscribe and let's explore these steps step by step together. First of all, you have to start by opening the Chase mobile app on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iOS. It does not matter, you just have to open the app, log in using your username and password. You can also use your Touch ID or Face ID if you have it enabled. Once you are logged in, tap the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see all your accounts including your checking, savings and credit cards. Now you have to select a payment method, tap the account for which you want to download the statement. This will take you to the account details page. This will take you here to the accounts detail page. Tap on it to view a list of your available statements. These are usually sorted by month or quarter. Select the statement you need based on the data range you are interested in. After tapping it, you will have the option to view the PDF directly or tap download PDF to save it to your device. Prefer to keep it in your box, you can also choose to email the PDF to yourself for easy access later. And that's it. Downloading a bank statement from Chase app is simple and quick. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.